take time on me, don't run away. Cause baby, we got unfinished business, she said.
Come see me one day.
She tell me, bad man, see I need your love. See I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me tell her say me, oh stay on the road. Bad energy stay far away. Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night. Give me love for the night, girl. Waste no time.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Bella, and if it's I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say, but if you'd like to see how I achieve this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah. Okay y'all, so the first thing I'm gonna be doing is going into my Athena, something like that, I don't know, palette by Bad Habit, and I'm gonna grab the shade Lure and just put it all over my eyelids as a transition color. Then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer. Yeah, that's a long name for a concealer, but yeah, I'm gonna go in with that in the shade Tan to just cut my crease. Now I'm going to go into my Morphe 3502 palette and grab the shade Brick and just pack it on the concealer. And then to like warm up the edges of my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the shades Brave and In the Zone mixed together. And I went ahead to apply my lashes off camera because if I had tried to do it on camera, it would have been a whole disaster. For foundation, I used the Smashbox Photo Finish foundation in the shade 4.3, and I like to start off with a brush just to give me like full coverage, and because it leaves like a little bit of a shine, I go with my Real Techniques sponge to just like get rid of it. Then I go back in with the same Maybelline concealer I used on my eyelids to highlight my face. To set my concealer, I use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. For cream contour, I actually use foundation, so I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I think it's the matte and poreless one in the shade 365. think I'm gonna keep the light on, and I don't know why I haven't had it on this whole time. I thought I looked washed out or not good, but I made a mistake. But it's on now. Then I go ahead and set it with my sleek powder contour palette in the shade dark. To warm up my face, I use the Black Radiance medium to dark contour palette, but basically the contour shade is too brown for me, so I don't use it as contour. I use it just to like kind of bronze up my face, if that makes any sense. Then I use the Sculpt shade to just chisel my jaws and make my face look 10 times smaller than it is. To set my face, I use the MAC Matte Fix Plus, and this is so good for oily skin people. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to just bronze up my face and make sure everything blends nicely together and I look nice and chocolatey. And then for highlight, I use my e.l.f. highlight in a shade Apricot Glow, and this is so beautiful, and it's only like £5. It's so beautiful. That is it, man. And then me of progress. This is the second time my battery's like flashed. The first time it was flashing, I literally took my battery out, charged it, put my makeup on a hold for this thing to charge, like, and now it's doing the same thing. Like, this time it's not happening. It's not happening. You can blink as much as you like, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and like just more videos, okay? Because, you know, I've got the equipment for YouTube and I wanted to do YouTube for a long time now, and I've been procrastinating, and I feel like the time is here. The time is definitely here for Bella. So yeah.